Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, a 5.5 earthquake struck southwest Mexico on Saturday, March the 5th, 2022 at 7:29 p.m. local time. This is the second earthquake of magnitude greater than 5 that was recorded in Mexico this week. There is no reports of casualties at this time. So it was a 5.5 earthquake that struck southwest Mexico. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. I will close out this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.